Welcome back to another video. I think I pronounced this right. Lestrate, Costa Brava. Probably not saying it right with the right pronunciation, but it's just the start of the gun shot. There's a lot of celebrations because Spain are playing Belgium in the quarter-final of the World Cup. So let's take you down to the marina at Harbour, where all the posh boats are basically. Lots of bike lanes, it's always handy. Probably a couple of minutes drive down to where I said we're going, in the road. Hopefully it's not too jumpy. Always been down here a few times this week. And this is the right hand side sort of walkway where you're not allowed to cycle on. She's just a bit up here. It's always quite busy with people walking along enjoying the evening or day. But this bit's always a bit busy. Enjoying the evening there. Coming to where all the restaurants are. That's the end of the cycle path for the moment. The boating club to the right here. Busy in the bars, and the restaurants. About 12 miles an hour, so it's a bit jumpy. Not a lot I can do. Restaurants seem busy. Friday night. All the boat marina honestly here on the right hand side, Harbour. Camera ain't really set up. I'm using the Osmo. 7. Supposed to keep it stable-ish, but it's obviously not designed to fix on a bike. Offers you can, but it's more designed for handheld. Slip through the barrier. that you can hire. Don't know what you need to hire, but you can. Bottomless boat, see-through bottom, see all the fishies. Alright, let's just get into the end, go back down the other side. I don't know if you can see that there's a blue light up there, reflected up in the sky. I don't know where that's coming from. I don't think it's anything other than someone with a high-powered light on the other side of that mountain. But yeah, these are all the little boats that you can hire. All of these ones probably don't need no licenses and things like that. Unless you can climb up. To climb up, there's some stairs that you can go up there, get a better view. We go down the other side. Head back the way we come, but slightly, this is slightly on the other side of the road here. Some restaurants up there, hotels, I think. Try and pick up a bit of the bar action. Restaurant action on the way past. Turn the camera slightly. There we go. That's a big giant ice cream. Not as busy as has been in the week. It was busy, but it's not as busy as it has been. I think maybe because the football's on. Yeah, I'm going to stop there. That was that. Now I'm going to take you up what you'd maybe call a strip, but not quite on the beach. Up this, it's over here on the right hand side where I'm aiming the camera. If you want to see that, then I'll record another video. If you're not, don't watch it. But yeah, it's just up here on the left. It's right here. So I'll stop here.